Hood struts were one of the first modifications many S550 owners make, and they're also one of the easiest things to install yourself. Today we're going to show you how to install MRT's Hood Strut Kit using our 2015 Mustang GT. This MRT Hood Strut Kit is going to fit your 2015 through 2020 Mustang with the stock hood. Now the kit's going to include 2 struts and all necessary brackets for installation. The brackets come engraved with the proper location, making installation a breeze, and these are going to use all the factory hardware and require no drilling or cutting for installation. You begin the installation over here on the driver's side. When you grab the brackets, you want to grab the left-hand brackets for both the hood and the fender. First we're going to do is loosen this nut right here. Make sure this is straight up and down. Tighten this back up. Okay, now we're back here with the rear fender bolt. It'll be the only fender bolt visible. The rest back here will be covered underneath this. We're going to remove this. Put the bracket in place with the stud facing inward. Reinstall the bolt and tighten it down. Then repeat the process on the other side. The only difference over here on the passenger side is once you install this bracket, you take this hose here and relocate it to the outside edge and push the factory clip in. Now we're going to install the strut with the body facing upwards. So you want the MRT logo here. This one you want facing away. This clip you want facing towards it. If this isn't light, just turn it. It's not lined up to get it where you need it. Now we'll start by clipping it into the bottom. Just push, it'll lock on. Then lift the hood up, lock on the top, repeat the process on the other side. Now this last step is completely optional, but in my opinion, it looks a lot better without the factory prop rod, so we're going to remove it. Reinstall the bolt just so we don't lose it. And your installation is finished. The MRT hood struts work nice and smooth, do a great job of supporting our stock hood. With the prop rod out of the way, we have more room to work as well. Installation, all you'll need is a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a 13mm socket. Give yourself about 20 minutes, be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.